Hey everyone, this is Navneet and you're watching Your DZINR, and today we are going to talk about how we are designing the funnels for our clients, and this is what I'm sharing after building 20 plus funnels for our clients all over the world. Exactly, you know what? So today we are basically talking about how we are starting funnel designing for our clients. Suppose that if you got any project and we have to start working upon that, then what are the things basically we are doing in order to start designing of that particular project in a proper software. Okay, before that, from taking a project to starting building the project on the software, what are the things we are doing? So we are funnel designing and we are designing funnels for our coaches. Okay, and yeah, the question is how I basically design. So there are 5 to 7 steps we are taking care of in order to start designing that funnels. Okay, not exactly 5 to 7, but yeah, thoda upar niche ho sakta hai. Okay, so yeah, the first thing is we understand the requirement of the client. Okay, like what client exactly want. First thing, we just need to understand what type of funnel he is looking for. For example, he could be looking for a workshop funnel, for any sales funnel, for any event funnel, challenge funnel, right, appointment booking funnel, anything he can ask for, right? So first of all, we just need to understand the requirement of the funnel so that we can build it for them. The next thing is know the niche. Exactly, the niche is the most important thing, which will help you a lot in order to choose the colors, creating the graphics, choose the fonts, and like choosing the words accordingly, right? So knowing the niche is the really important thing, because once you are having the clarity of the niche and the product, that is the thing which will where you can make your things, and branding would be really amazing, right? So that's why it is important. Choose the color by using color psychology. Color psychology is important because once you are using colors according to the psychology, then you know what, there are so many things which are in our mind hardwired without like learning that particular thing. Okay, so that's the reason color psychology is important. For example, if a person if someone told me that or if, for example, if I'm telling you that I'm taking some kind of Ayurveda medicines, then what's the first color or thing came into your mind? A tree, right? And tree with a green leaves, right? That's why, that's the importance of color. If, for example, if a place where you are going and you are seeing that there is a red flag, and by any sign, with a sign, okay, then will you be dare to go there? I don't feel so, because you know that red means stop, you don't need to go over there, right? So that's the reason, that's why color psychology is important. And after that, the importance of typography. Typography simply stands for like the types of fonts we are using. Okay, this is also important to like find out what type of font we have to create, or we have to using while creating the funnels. Once we finalize those things, then there are basically 2-3 fonts we are using on our funnel, because the first is primary, the second is secondary, so that we can pair a few fonts, and the third thing is like CTA. So we are like using different, so you can use it anything, okay, like singles, double, anything. Okay, so typography is important because this is something, because you know what, I would love to say one thing, that fonts are also having the emotions. Like if you are using any kinds of fonts, that simply means fonts are showing their own emotions, their own styles, and with that style your copy and your page would be, if both of things are resonating, that simply means you are winning that funnel. Okay, and the next thing is create a layout in Figma. Exactly, I'm using Figma to create the layouts of the funnels, because once we are done with the designing in Figma, we simply send it to our clients that this is what we are going to build. If you like, just we are on the way to build it in the software. Otherwise, we are going to make the revisions. If you don't like, if you want to remove anything, we would love to do it now. Okay, because once we are finalized with the designing, we just need to replicate it in the software, and that's not a big task. Okay, that's really easy to do, and you can do it within 1 or 2 days easily. Okay, so yeah, that's the last step, build in the software. Exactly, After getting the approval from the client, we are basically started building these funnels into the software so that we don't delay now, because we are having very less deadline, for example 7 days to 14 days, and in this time frame we have to complete every single thing: funnel designing, copywriting, designing, graphics, and email automation, tech integrations like mobile optimization, and so many things we are providing to our clients, and we have to take care of every single thing in just 7 to 14 days. So that's the reason we have to like complete every single thing really quickly so that our clients don't face any issue and we can like handle or hangover every single thing at a right time to our clients. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the entire video, and I hope that you got the clarity that how I start working on any funnel, like once I get the project, to how I started actually building it in the software. There are basically few steps which I have discussed with you guys. These are basically 6 steps. First thing is like understand the requirement, then know the niche, choose the color using color psychology, then choosing the font typography, right, and then create a layout in the Figma and then build it in the software. So these are basic things which we have to take care of and we need to work upon before started designing on any any funnels. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.